Need some extra cash to put towards buying that investment property? You might not need to look any further than the equity that you have in your existing property. Homeowners with a sizable portion of their equity in their home are able to access and use these funds for several purposes. In today's video, we will explain how to tap into your equity and make the most of your home loan. Let's jump straight in. Let's start with the basics. What is home equity? In a nutshell, home equity is the part of your home's value that you own outright. It is calculated by subtracting the remaining loan amount from the property value. Since property values fluctuate, so does your home equity. If your property's value increases due to market changes or home improvements, your equity also increases. For example, if your property is worth $800,000 and you've got $200,000 left to pay on your home loan, your equity will be equal to $600,000. Your equity can be used to help you obtain a low-interest loan to help you fund for something like a renovation or a second property. What is a home equity loan? A home equity loan is an umbrella term that is used for a series of loans that you obtain by using your equity as collateral. Essentially, you can borrow against your equity. The great thing about these loans is that it gives you access to large sums of money without requiring you to sell your property. They are also not subject to high interest rates of other consumer credit options. There are different types of home equity loan that are tailored to your specific needs, such as a line of credit, renovation loan, home loan top-up, or a senior equity loan. A line of credit home loan is a type of loan that allows homeowners to get cash out from their home loan. Homeowners can draw from this fund at any time, and there aren't minimum repayments or set term to repay the money. Another added benefit is that you only pay interest on the money that you withdraw. A line of credit can be hard to obtain if you don't have a high amount of equity in your home. If you would like to renovate your home but are short on money, you may also be able to use the cash from your home loan to fund the renovation. Ideally, the renovation will increase the property value and in turn will increase the home equity. A home loan top-up is a common equity loan type that allows homeowners to borrow against their equity. Similar to regular home loans, you make repayments over a fixed period of time. Top-up loans are a great way to fund a variety of expenses at a low interest rate, whilst also enjoying flexible loan terms. A senior's equity loan is a loan that releases a homeowner's equity funds to supplement their income without having to sell their home. There are no extra repayments required, and both the released cash and the home loan are repaid once the house is sold. Homeowners must be over 60 to be eligible for this loan type. So what can equity be used for? Equity can be accessed and used for a variety of purposes, including home renovations, updates and maintenance, purchasing an additional property, holiday traveling, non-property related investment, making a large purchase like a car, or paying off another debt. But how do I find out how much equity is in my home? To accurately work out your home equity, you need to know your property's up-to-date value. You can pay for a property valuation, but some lenders offer it for free when you inquire about refinancing. So how much equity do I need before I can access it? This will depend on your lender and the reason you're looking to get cash out of your home loan. Generally, homeowners are able to access up to 80% of their home equity. And finally, how do I build equity? Whilst your home equity is subjected to changes in the market, there are certain things that you can do to grow your equity. You can renovate to increase your home value, increase your monthly repayment amount or make more frequent repayments, utilize a redraw facility or an offset account to reduce the interest payable. Building your equity not only means that you're one step closer to owning your own home outright, but it also allows you to access other types of loans that helps you to improve your lifestyle and financial situation. If you're looking for more information on cash out refinancing, check out a video here where we'll explain what a cash out refinancing is, when it is advisable to get a cash out, and some of the risk involved. See you there in a sec.